My client did not pay my invoice even though I made him so much more money compared to what I was asking. So I'm going to be replicating his entire business from scratch, creating a company which is more successful than his just to take revenge because I absolutely love taking revenge. So basically, for some context, he had a video editing company and he used to like hire us to reach out to people on his behalf so that we could get him like clients, customers, sales, revenue. And when we connected a person who was qualified to work with him, he used to pay us every single time we did the same. So he did not clear the invoice. I know how exactly to get clients for the same because I was the one getting him clients. If we did not exist, in the past 3 months, he would have added $0 to his monthly recurring revenue. So I know how to get clients. My partner is currently speaking to a bunch of editors across all different countries, like trying to find reliable editors who we can outsource the projects to. And I'm going to be focused fully on the outbound process of the part of finding clients who can actually like buy the service, whatever. So coming to the part, like coming to the actual build out of the outbound system, what I have in mind right now is we're going to be creating a system that reaches out to people across all the different channels wherever we can find them, and we're going to be creating like AI personalizations, all of that nice cool stuff. So the first thing we're going to be doing is going to be getting the leads, because if you don't have good quality leads you cannot do anything. And for that, I think like for this service right now, we should be like, there are two types of edits we can sell. We can either sell like long form edits or we can sell like short form edits. So what I've seen is we can charge like 2 to 3 times more for a longer form video edit compared to like a short form edit. So for a short form video we can charge, let's say, $30. For a long form video we can charge like $100. The thing is that a long form video is around 10 to 20 times longer than a short form video. So if you actually want to get great freaking clients, if you actually want to maintain like good high quality margins, we should be reaching out to people who create short form content, because then we can like the amount we charge, we're going to have like much higher profit margins. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And most of the people who create short form content can be found on Instagram. That's the biggest source. Like YouTube Shorts is shut, TikTok is not available in my country, so I cannot do outreach over there. So I'm just going to come to this app known as leads.cm, because their Instagram leads function is one of the best features which I have ever used. Like one of the highest quality data sources is going to be here. It's only $20 a month. If you want unlimited access to this for just $10 a month, I'm partners with them. They pay me money, like not to promote it, but if I get them customers, so I can get you like I can get you access for just $10 a month. Click on the link in the pinned comment. So I'm going to log into my account. Boom. And now we come to the Instagram lead section over here. And yeah, you can now like apply filters to find people. So right now I'm going to go with business coaches, because everyone wants to be a guru right now. So apply around 1800, like no, 3700, 5000 leads. I'll reach out to people between 10,000 to 20,000 followers, trying to tell them, yo bro, I'm going to take you to like 50,000 followers. And yep, I think that's fine. Country, let's do United States for now. Boom. Apply all these filters. We have around 608 leads, and again we can reach out to literally any niche, because everyone who creates content on Instagram and has like a decent size following is a potential buyer for this service. I don't really care. Yeah, after that, the only problem with this is you have to like manually export it. So you click on this export button, mass export, and then you go over here. But I actually was like, I created this post yesterday on my Twitter, and the founder of the company reached out to me as well, so he's like a very good guy. So yeah, I created this post that I used to pay a guy like $100 a month to do it. And then there's this guy who created this extension known as RoboMonkey whatever. And yeah, I just had like a quick word with him and everything. And yeah, you should like check out this extension. So I just searched for RoboMonkey, and it's like a free Chrome extension which you can download. Like it's freemium. RoboMonkey. Yeah, it's like a Chrome extension you can like download from the Chrome web store, and you can just tell it like what extension you want to build, and it will create like a custom extension. So I'll open it up, show you. So I actually just asked it to like build me a Chrome extension which can do all of this, like allow me to export all of the leads, and then it added this custom button over here. So I can click on this, and now all of the leads will be automatically exported, and I don't have to like manually sit down and export all the leads. It's going to go through all the different data sets and like scrape all the leads, save them, and then it's going to give me like a CSV file. But in order to like just make the process faster, just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to export like 50 or like 100 leads, because that's going to be enough for the first day. So again, I'll apply the same filters. Apply. Keywords will be business coach. 10,000. No, not here. Here we have to enter 10,000 to 20,000. And let's just try to first reach out to people who always have like a phone number. So yeah, let's only reach out to people who have phones as well, because the phone numbers over here are like very high quality numbers. So I'll simply like export all of this. So I'll click on clipboard page. I'll come over to Google Sheets, and yep, I'm just gonna like paste it over here. How many leads do we have? We have around 40 leads. Let's do like 100 leads. I think that should be fine. So I'll go to the next page as well, and I'm gonna export it. So like I'll just click on clipboard page, copy it, boom, paste it over here. Like no, I want the entire thing, bro. Delete row, paste values only. Why can't I paste everything, bro? Weird. I'm unable to do it. Yeah, it's not loaded, that's why. Shit, I have to wait for it to load, which is the only annoying part. That's why I built this custom extension. You just like leave it running and it'll do it for you. I think it has now loaded. Clipboard page, copy, boom. Yeah, I'll delete this now. Delete row. So yep, now we have a bunch of profiles, like around 50 profiles. So we can like get started with this stuff right now. So yep, that's what I'm gonna do. So now I've actually created a custom automation inside of n8n for basically creating personalized messages. I'll like walk you through how it works. So firstly, it starts when we add leads to this Google Sheet which I have created. So where's the name of the Google Sheets? Where's the Google? Yeah, Instagram personalizer. So what it basically does, like it'll go to Instagram, whatever username you enter over here, it's gonna scrape the latest post, so you can see like this latest post from me, whatever, and then it's gonna create like the transcript of the video, and then it's gonna create like a personalized icebreaker. So for example, if we go to this video from Charlie Morgan, like I'll just give you like a quick example. If we come over here and we go to his reel section, then if we come here, this guy is basically speaking about like what do you think converts better, like value content or lifestyle content. So it actually went through the entire transcript and created a personalized icebreaker. Hey Charlie, I just saw your reel where you talked about like lifestyle versus value. So that's the prompt I've given. If you want different personalization, obviously you can change it. I'll delete all these rows and just paste like the different usernames. So yep, now we'll start the workflow inside of n8n. So we can manually start it, and every single day it runs at midnight. So it checks for new leads if they have been added, but if you want to do it manually, you can do it manually as well. And yep, so I'll do this. Manually run the workflow. So what it does is when it starts, it gets like the leads from the Google Sheet. It then filters out the prospects. It scrapes the latest reel. It gets the reel URL, like the URL of the latest reel which they have posted. Then it updates the Google Sheet with the reel, like it enters the URL of the, not this one, it enters the URL of the reel over here. After that, it scrapes the transcript of the reel and gets the transcript of the reel, like what is the word by word transcript, and then it creates like the, like updates the Google Sheet with the transcript that here, this is the transcript. And then we use an AI to create like the personalized icebreaker, and then once it has been created, we simply update the Google Sheet. So yeah, that's how the process works. It obviously will take some time because we're doing like 50 entries, so it will take like a minute or so, something like that. So I'll pause the video till then and be back when it has been complete. So I just thought, like, while the workflow is running, why just don't we go ahead and just create the automations, the workflows which you're going to be using for sending out the messages. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing now. So for the first part is actually like creating the copy, and I think I'll just do it live when we're creating the campaign. So because we have their Instagram usernames, we have their email addresses, and we have their phone numbers, we can reach out to them on multiple places. So you can see we have their email as well, we have their phone numbers as well. So yep, we can reach out to them across all these different channels, because the more places you contact someone, the higher the chance they actually convert and everything. So yep, that's what we're going to be doing. So the first place which we can contact them is going to be Instagram, so that we will do. So for Instagram right now, I'm going to use this software which I've created. And pricing on this website, I've not updated it, so it might change. So don't quote me if it's not there. But yeah, we have this automated Instagram outreach platform that sends unlimited AI personalized DMs, all of that nice stuff. So I'm going to be using this software. If you want it, you can check it out from the description. You can get it at a lifetime deal, very affordable, very good software. It works like any other software. And if you want a cloud-based software like AutoIGDM.com, then I might release it for you in the future if you live outside the US, because there's a guy from Germany who wants something like this built out, and we agreed that if we build it out for him, we cannot sell it in the European market, so he has a monopoly over there and only he can use it. But if you're outside from Europe, you can get that as well. So check it out in the description if you want. So the thing is, like, this software, like the Instagram outreach one, it's actually like a browser based, extension based software, because it's very affordable. That way I wanted like two options, one which is affordable and one which is more convenient. And it's like, you have to have your computer on 24/7 to run this, but what I found is you can just get a cloud computer, so basically you can run it on the cloud for $10 a month. So there's a thing known as like Windows VPS. So basically you have a Windows computer which runs 24/7 in the cloud without you owning it, and they charge you like just $10 a month, something like that. Yeah, I'll give you the link. You can get a discount if you want that in the description if you want. So yeah, that's what I basically bought, like cheap Windows VPS, and I think it's $10 a month. So this is the one which I bought, $10 a month, like medium box. So you can buy this as well if you want, or you can run it from your computer if you don't mind it. So in case you're wondering like what exactly, like how exactly I'm going to use it, so come to Windows app. It's like a free app from like Microsoft only, like a remote desktop connection. It's there in default in Windows computers, but if you have a Mac one, it's available there as well. So yep, you just connect to the Windows computer over here, and I'll be creating the campaigns. I'll have to log in first though. Let's see how that goes. So you can see I'm like actually on my Mac, but I'm logged into a Windows computer over here. And yep, now I just have to open up Instagram. Boom. It's a bit laggy, bro, not gonna lie to you, but yeah, it's worth it. Like, I just have to set it up once and then it runs. Yeah, doesn't really matter. So just be logged in with your Instagram account and then just download like the extension over here. So we have two versions. One is version 1 and one is version 2. And oh yes, bro, like go to hell, man. No, bro, like just quit. Exit. No. Yep. So in version 2, what you can do is, before you actually send people a message, you can basically like send them a DM as well. Like, obviously that's the main thing, but before that you can follow them, unfollow them, like their post, comment on a post. You can do that. This Instagram account, like, its health is not very good, so I'm not going to be doing that, because that does obviously increase your reply rates as well, but that increases the chance of you landing in spam too. But you know what, like, let's just try it out. Like, who cares? So yeah, when it comes to like version 2, first thing you have to do is come here, click on this list and come over to message and just create the message you want to send. So over here, like, I'm going to be reaching out to business coaches, right? So I'm going to be like, give the list a name, something which you can remember, and now you can just enter the message which you want to send out to these people. So the message which I'm going to is, firstly, you can include spin tags as well. So basically you can add multiple words and we'll automatically read through them. Reduces the chances of your account being banned, because Instagram can see, okay, like this is not totally there. So the first thing which you're going to do is have like the AI personalized first line. So I'm just going to enter that, because that's going to be the line, like AI line. So yep, that's going to be the first line. So something like, hey Emma, just saw your reel where you spoke about how you helped a company add 30,000 to your revenue, like some of that crap, something like that. So that's going to be the first thing. So AI personalize first line. After that, what could we say in the message? So like, let's say I'm reaching out to Charlie Morgan. I'm saying I'm going to help him get more growth. Hey Charlie, just saw a reel where you spoke about lifestyle content versus like educational content. After that, are you taking on more clients right now for your coaching? . coaching offers. The reason I ask is because if so, no, like instead of it, like just let's just ask a question which will challenge the ego. Can you handle can you handle more coaching clients right now, or are you at capacity? uh, the reason I ask is because we held a coach like you uh, if you can, we can help you get in front of their eyes, because you deserve at least 50k. No, on Instagram it's called followers, my bad. Man, this is so laggy. Oh, if you can, we can help you get in front of the eyes, because you deserve at least 50k eyes. And save you money in the process too. Can I explain it works? Can I can I explain how? Let's see the message. Airline, can you handle why can't we just make it shorter? Because the problem of having two questions in one message is it confuses your prospects, and he's thinking of two questions, so I'll just ask one. So instead of this, I can just say like, I know this sounds kinda random, but if you can handle some extra coaching clients, we can help you get in front of the eyes, because you deserve at least 50k followers and save you money in the process too. Can I explain how? Yep, that sounds decent to me. So that's the message which you're going to be sending out to these people. And yep, so that's going to be the message which you send out to them. Yeah, that's the thing. Now only thing we need is going to be the lead list. So I'll see if the workflow has been completed. No, it's taking some time. Maybe there's like a problem with the scraper, so I'll look for an alternative scraper. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's going to be the Instagram thing. And in case you're wondering like how I'll actually run the campaigns, I'll come over to bots and click on edit, and over here I'll just like name it like, what do you call it, like business coach. Then target users I'll set to like custom users. So right now I'll just select like Charlie Morgan as a random person, so I can save the campaign and then I'll update it, but I'll upload it from a CSV file because then I can include the AI personalized first line as well. So then I won't be like sending people who I have messaged already, so I'll exclude all the people from the list. Then when it comes to the actions, I'll send them a DM, I'll be liking their posts, and I'll probably comment on their post as well. So yeah, I think I can do that. When it comes to the EM content, I will be sending like a text message and not an image message. We made the image message feature only for local businesses. DM source, I'll select like from template because we just created the template. So I'll just select the name of the list we created. So this was the list, if you remember. Comment content, I'll like write it out manually. I can create a list for different comments as well. But yeah, I just say like, I just like enter that, what do you call it, like bicep curl emoji, yeah. Yeah, because it's going to be universally applicable. Holy shit, man, Windows is so... Actually, you know what, it's not a problem. Windows, like the PC which I've rented, it's probably not very powerful. So, yep. Let me just select from template, custom message here, and just like go again. Yeah, I think it's the comment. After that, the random interval we wait between messages. So if you want to send like, let's say 50 messages a day per account, and we want to send it in 10 hours, every single hour we want to be sending like 5 messages, so we can have like a 10 to 15 minute delay between messages. That should be fine. Like yeah, a random interval between, no, yeah, 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, that's fine. After every 10 messages, we can wait for 20 to 30 minutes because Instagram is a bit more stricter compared to Twitter and everything. Meta platforms are in general more stricter. So yeah, I'll save it, and once the leads have been scraped, the AI personalized lines have been created, I'll simply like start reaching out to these people. After that, the next thing which you're going to be doing is going to be the SMS part. So for this, firstly, I will like reach out to them via WhatsApp. So what I'll do is I'll come to whatreach.com, which is a software which I have for WhatsApp out. Sorry, not the website, the actual app. You can like try it out for free as well from the website, like whatreach.com. You can find the link over in the pinned comment. So go to the pinned comment, you'll find all the links which you require. So like this is not my account. I'll go to like the account where we actually like manage the users. I think this is the account which you use. Yeah. So yep, now we're here, and I can just come here and I can create a campaign. So I'll come here, I'll again use the exact same thing. Like I can use probably like the same message. You know what, I can just like literally copy paste the exact message and say like, yo, I tried to contact you on Instagram. This is what I said. Perfect. So I'll come here, I'll come to bulk messaging, but I have to upload leads as well first. So yeah, I'll create the leads first. Right now one campaign is already running for editing, so maybe it's like 40% complete. I'll have to buy a new phone numbers. If you want phone numbers for WhatsApp outreach, you can go to omnitp.salesgen.com. Actual USA local numbers, not toll free numbers, not VoIP numbers. You can go here and you can buy phone numbers from here directly, receive OTPs. But before you buy, like just contact me first, so that in case like, because the platform is new, we have like around 5 to 10 users of this. in case there are any problems, you can simply like reach out to me and I can give you the code manually. So you can select if you want any country code or like a specific area code, or if you want a particular carrier, we actually provide you local numbers, and then you can just pay $5 once and get access to the same. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Over here I'm going to be naming them business coach contact group. Like you can select the different lead lists, so I'm not going to start it right now, but let's say this was the lead list. I'll upload the lead list. Yeah, after that, where it comes to caption, this is basically the message. So I'm going to paste the exact message. So I'm going to say like yeah, hey, first line. But over here the personalization is a different. So over here when you enter personalization, you have to enter them between the percentage symbol. So yeah, just enter percentage over here for personalization. Where's the personalize symbol, bro? Above 5. So press like shift and then press 5. So it's like, hey Charlie, I know this is kind of random, but yeah, I just saw a reel where you spoke about this. No, hey Charlie, I just saw a reel where you spoke about this. I know this count is sounds random, but if you can hand them some extra coaching clients, they can help you get in front of the eyes, because it will at least 50k followers and save you money in the process too. Can I explain how? So yeah, that's going to be the same message. I'm going to literally like blast out the exact same message, and yep. So when do we start sending whatever, we can do it now. And because these people are based in the US, so I'll send them during the daytime. So like between like maybe between 8 to like, yeah, 8 to 6 seems fine to me. So yeah, when it comes to delay, like we will be sending around like 50 messages a day per day, and yeah, we will be sending like 50 messages. So let me just ask ChatGPT, bro, like why use your brain? I think my ChatGPT subscription ended. Shit, I have to buy it. Yo ChatGPT, so I just wanted to ask you, like, if I want to send, let's say, 50 messages a day on WhatsApp, and I want to send them in a span of 10 hours, how much delay should be there between each message? Yep. Should I feel like a brokey for not having ChatGPT premium? 12 minutes a message, so that will be like 720. Like let's add a delay of 600 to 900 seconds. It'll keep it very safe. And yeah, this could easily get us like 1 to 2 appointments a day with just 50 messages. And from here you can also select like what's WhatsApp profiles you want to use. So I'll actually connect new profiles, and then I'm going to start the campaigns, because the lead list right now is not ready, but that's what I'm going to do for WhatsApp. When it comes to email, I'm going to be using like ManyReach over here. Like ManyReach actually has like a lifetime deal, so you can click on this link. Like I'll share this link. They don't advertise it publicly right now, but you can get like a lifetime deal over here for just like 100. Like you can send 100,000 emails every single month for just a one-time payment of $349. And if you compare that to Instantly, it's basically the same features, but with Instantly you can only send out like, if you want to send out like 100,000 emails every month, it'll cost you like how much? $97 a month. So yeah, and they allow you like unlimited contacts, so not just 25,000 contacts. I don't know why people use Instantly. I just use ManyReach. You can use Reach Inbox too. They had a lifetime deal earlier, but it does not work anymore. So I'm gonna like log into Instantly. Sorry, ManyReach. What the frick am I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna call it like what do you say? Let's call it business coach. Oh, someone from my team is already running campaigns. I don't remember creating them. So yeah, now we can create the subject line. So what could be the subject line which will kind of induce them to click? Query related to your Instagram. Question about your reel. Like, I know it sounds very cliche, like quick question, whatever. Or reel. Then we just enter the personalized first line, because when people read that, then it'll like make sense. So I'll just call it like AI line. Like, sorry. Oh yeah, we call it the AI icebreaker, the custom variable. After that, I'll just like go ahead with my pitch. No, actually, you know what? In order to keep our email health high and to get more replies, responses, everything, we can just ask them like a question. Do you offer Uh, if you offer coaching services, are you taking on more clients right now, or can you handle more clients right now? Can you handle more clients right now, or are you at capacity? Hmm. Let me know. I'll just write like send from my iPhone, so it looks like much more real. So yep, let's just go to Mail Meteor spam checker to see if it sounds spammy or not, because the last thing we want is something which is working well to go to spam. If you provide, yeah, I think that's better. Provide coaching services, can you handle more clients right now, or are you at capacity? Yep. After that, let's add a follow up if they do not reply in one day. Yep. One day. Yeah, I will say. Hey, my Gmail has been giving me some issues lately. Did you get my last mail? Let me know. Boom, just a quick nudge. Then the third follow up is where we probably will get the reply from people and send this email 2 days after, like 1 day after the last email. I like to keep follow ups quick, fast, whatever. And yep, so I'll just like write over here something like, well, I just realized you might be wondering who is this person reaching out to me, and I should have told you in the first mail itself, so apologies. Well, I realize you might be wondering who is this person, like not how, who is this person reaching out to me, and I should have told you in the first mail itself, so apologies. I saw your content and believe you should be at 50k followers minimum. Can help you with the same so that you get in front of more qualified prospects and save you money in the entire process too. Can I explain how? Yep. Obviously, poor can you, so that you reach the eyes of fight prospects without breaking your without spending prospects, because I think like instead of saying that we're going to be cheap, it's going to only attract the low quality people. And few down expenses and cut down your expenses and headaches. LOL. Yep, this looks fine to me. Boom, looks good. No, I think like 2 follow-ups should be fine over here. Like, you know what, let's just send the 4th one as well. I hate bothering people, so let me know if this is not relevant or if I should keep following up. Let's see, because this will force like a reply at least. Boom, and the first email first follow-up I'll check if the no, did you receive? Boom. Yep, let's save it, and then we add prospects, and then we can like create the campaigns, like launch them and everything. Now coming to the last thing is over here, we will come over here and we will be creating like a campaign for cold SMS as well. So right now for SMS we have 2 options. Either we can use like a custom iMessage system which I have built for myself. I've never released it to the public, but there's like an automation which works inside of N10 for sending cold SMS, or we can send it via Go High Level. So this is going to be the thing which most of you are familiar with. So if anyone is like wondering like how you can send SMS like iMessage, I don't plan on revealing right now. Maybe I can like license it out to you, so you can check the pinned comment if I do decide to do it. But right now I have no plans of releasing the iMessage system for free, because yeah, like it's free to send messages and you can send like unlimited messages, and it actually gets you a high reply rate than any SMS, like any local number, any toll-free number. So if you want Go High Level accounts cheaper than what you have to pay them, along with the verified phone number, I can do the same for you. So let me know. You can like go on the pinned comment and you will find the link for the same as well. Coming to the automation, it's pretty simple. Come to settings, come to phone numbers, and just buy like a phone number over here and get it verified with your business details. If you don't have a business details, you can reach out to me. Like, yo, why does it require verification? Huh? Like, damn, it was verified. I think I changed it from one sub account to another sub account. That's why it requires verification again. So yeah, I think I'll have to like get it verified once more. Yeah, I'll have to get it verified again, because earlier it was verified, but I don't know what happened. I transferred it from an older sub account to this current sub account, so maybe that's the problem behind the same. So yeah, we'll have to like look into it. Yeah, probably did that. That's the issue. Didn't know that if you transfer a number from one sub account to another sub account, your verification status is gone. So Go High Level, I'll have to get it verified. So yeah, after like assuming the thing has been verified, the number is verified, what you have to do is simply just create like a new workflow, start from scratch, and boom, you just like enter the first thing. So tag added, let's say we add a tag to add this to the campaign. Boom, tag added. Tag is like, let's say business coach SMS, and yeah, you can just create the workflow. Like, why is it like refreshing? I just like save the trigger, like I'll figure the exact tag later. Then you add drip, because that basically allows you to add a delay. So if you want to send one message every 1 minute, you can do this. If you want to send a message every 30 seconds, enter 0.5. So yeah, just enter like the delay. Then you enter SMS action over here, and you just like and write it out what exact message you want to send. So include like the personalized variable. You can create custom variables. So I just insert like the first line and say exactly what I said in the WhatsApp message. That's literally the same message I'm going to be sending out. So if you want to do something similar, you can do that as well. But yeah, so now the plan is I'm going to be using the custom N10 automation for sending out the SMS message. So yeah, that's basically going to be the plan. So right now I have covered almost everything: how we got the leads, how we personalize the leads, how we wrote personalized icebreakers, how we send the messages on Instagram, WhatsApp, on like iMessage now, because SMS is not verified for me yet. After like 3 to 4 days, I'll get the SMS verified, and then I'll start sending using that as well. I did not know like if you transfer a phone number, it loses the verification status. I did not know that. So yeah, anyways, that's a issue on mine. Hope you found value from this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I think we have a free school community. You can join that, ask questions over there, and I'll be happy to help you out. A lot of cool shit in the description. Go check it out. Bye. Take care.